If you're looking for the best mechanical keyboard, here's a collection you've gotta see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Most popular. Corsair K70 RGB Mark II Mechanical Gaming Keyboard USB Pass-Through and Media Controls. The Corsair K70 RGB MK2 is a great all-round mechanical keyboard that won't break the bank. This particular listing features Cherry MX red switches. Although it's available in your choice of Cherry MX switches, these are most popular with gamers for their low actuation force and relatively quiet operations. Each of the 104 keys is fitted with an RGB LED, which can be controlled using the included software. Corsair promises full anti-ghosting. That means even if you slam your fist on the keyboard in a rage, all those individual key presses will still register. The K70 also includes 8 MB of profile storage, allowing you to save 3 profiles on the keyboard and access them on the move without the need for additional storage. Number 2. Dell Alienware Pro Gaming Mechanical Keyboard AW768. Get a leg up on your work with the Alienware Pro Keyboard's adjustable leg, which offers 3 different typing positions, complete with brown mechanical keys. Plus, multimedia keys put even more shortcuts at your disposal, like a dedicated audio roller at half the price of the DAS 4. While the keyboard's Alien FX software with 13 RGB lighting zones, 15 programmable macro key functions, and onboard memory are built for gaming, regular typists looking for a quiet and capable board will also enjoy the Alienware Pro. Alienware's Pro Gaming Keyboard delivers an uncompromising gaming experience. Fusing highly customizable controls and sophisticated software with iconic design, the mechanical keyboard features Alien FX with 13 RGB lighting zones, 15 programmable macro key functions, and onboard memory. Number 3. Razer Black Widow Elite Mechanical Gaming Keyboard Green Mechanical Switches. If your budget can stretch a little further, you can pick up the Razer Black Widow Elite. Razer chooses not to use Cherry MX switches, opting to manufacture their own instead. There's no reason to write off Razer's keyboards, and some people prefer Razer switches to Cherry MX. The Black Widow Elite is available in your choice of 3 switches: tactile and clicky green, tactile and silent orange, and linear and silent yellow. Razer rates its switches for up to 80 million keystrokes. Each stroke has an RGB LED inside it, which can be programmed using the included software. In the top right corner of the Black Widow Elite, you'll find a media control bar with pass-through for USB and 3.5mm stereo out. Along the nearest edge is a detachable wrist rest, which should help prevent injury during long or repeated sessions. Number 4. Wireless Mechanical Keyboard Ergonomic Velocifier VM02WS 104 key full size. Amazon's top choice for wireless mechanical keyboards, the 104 key Velocifier full-size keyboard offers plenty of support for extended typing sessions. Brown switches offer a suppressed clack for working at all hours, day or night. The long battery life ensures you'll be able to make use of the white backlighting for hours. A working distance of over 26 feet cuts the cord and allows you to step away from the computer or TV. Make life better. Make it possible to work besides a sleeping wife or while looking after sleeping children. Quieter than blue-switched keyboards. Suitable for using at home or office, quieter mechanical keyboard. No worry disturbing others. Number 5. Wooding 1 Linear 55 Red Analog RGB TKL Mechanical Gaming Keyboard. There's something special about the Wooding 1. This is the world's first analog mechanical keyboard, which means the keys are pressure sensitive. The harder you press the button, the more the keystroke is recognized. The obvious use of this technology is gaming, and Wooding claims that popular titles like Grand Theft Auto 5 and Counter-Strike Global Offensive are really compatible. Pressure-sensitive switches are provided courtesy of FlareTech in their red, tactile, and blue clicky varieties. FlareTech rates them for 100 billion keystrokes, comparable to the Cherry MX varieties. As is common at this price point, per-key RGB LED lighting is available with full control provided by the Wutility software. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.
If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and remember to click that bell icon so you are notified of our review videos as soon as they come up.